Good evening. This is week 22 and 23. The reason that I didn't do 22 is because there was just not a lot to see. But now we have some more clarity. There came some more things happening in the market. So let's start with the DAX. Beautiful declining channel. Found some nice support here, which is here actually the candle. If you would drag it through here, this candle here that actually breaks this resistance here is then found back as support. Support. So yeah, let's see if we still go down or not. Kept rising. Still, this is still not a lot for me. Still, still in this bigger range. So maybe if you come back to this top here, that we can then sell it again. Also nothing. NQ was interesting. So 4 hour we had this declining channel, the deep dive down here, then climbed back up, and then we broke here and we were in uncharted territory. Everything above here are new all-time highs, so we came up, had a big gap up, closed it again, came back up, back. This is the 100, I think, an EMA that I added here. So yeah, we came out of this channel. This was the third duplication up that we reached, not yet. So I think if we can reach that, then back down, but on the hourly. So we had this declining channel, we broke out of it, stayed on the duplication of this going channel here, found the support here, moving back up, and then staying under the EMA, but then still respecting this primary bottom of the channel, broke out of it, make new all-time highs. So now, yeah, do we come back down? This is uncharted, so yeah, let's see what happens. Same story for S. NQ and S were basically pretty much the same, although S was respecting the lines a little bit more. Dixie was weird. So we're still in this declining channel here. Okay, get it to 4 hours to make it a little bit more precise. Deeper. No. So we broke this ascending channel, stayed above the 50% of the duplication of this one. So this can be viewed as one big flag actually. And now we are here back at the top. Very cool moves, very interesting. We're gonna see how this plays out. Yum basket still behaving like shit. So we hit the third duplication of this little channel here, so we kept rising up, so we are not slowing down. Maybe we go back, restore from this dip, and then maybe break these channels here back. If we are back here, then all the yen pairs will look a little bit the same. So now let's look at the yen. Still this rising channel. These were all nice buy opportunities, but nothing was really clear for me. We didn't hit clear points here, and the clear points were in only one confluence. So after this big drop last week here, now we are just ranging. Same for Katyan. Katyan was a little bit more interesting because we broke this bigger range here, but then yeah, duplication didn't went nowhere. This drop was just the break of this ascending channel, so now we didn't have the duplication of the second one, so that doesn't give me confirmation that we will actually bounce from this or we can sink lower. Only when you see that a duplication has been hit, then I can see something happening. Also here, still above the line of the original resistance zones that we were in before this push up. So do we rise from here? Do we don't rise from here? Shiffy was a nice one. All this resistance here, so we had this border zone, and then I saw this rejection up, and I thought that here we would not close above this wick, staying in the second duplication zone. but then we closed under it again. And yeah, stop loss was hit, and then we just kept rising. So this was then actually a nice buy opportunity, retesting the lower zone of the borders. And staying above that then. So again, uncharted territory, we are at the top before the flash crash happened. So let's see what happens. UJ. Yeah, this break of this channel could have been a signal to go lower, but then after this push, you know, this is what I mean. There's not a lot of clarity right now. Not a lot of things that I can really see that are trippy. So we had the duplication of that one, so that's nice. Still looks shit. We are still in this bigger ascending channel, not really hitting bottoms. The mechanical one, loved this one. Not really a clear trade, but we respected the zones pretty beautifully. Here also second up, and then the push up. So we might go above these lines again, or this was just a fake move. This needs to be filled in, and then we go back lower. I saw this sell coming, but it was only at Eurocut that I saw that this was a clear one. So still really respecting this ascending channel. So my thoughts are now that we respect this last support here and that we go back up, or at least go back to here to cover the whole move. But each back down of the EMA, and in these channel zones actually, yeah, there is some reversal. So then Eurocut was also a buy that I have now. I had to sell because this was actually a clear one. I saw that we were gaining support at the 50% range of the bigger channel, which happened also here. Then we had the move up, and then we sold it. So I actually thought that we would go higher here, and then I could sell it here. But yeah, as price was not really, as I saw this move happening, and then there was a little push here. Yeah, I saw that things were getting squeezed, and then I couldn't resist to sell it. So I got out here because then we were still at this border that got tested a few times. And then when we look here, this is where the initial big moves happened. So from here, I think we could go to the top of here again, and then I would sell it again. Euro USD. Yeah, that was a big one. This was some that I didn't saw coming, because I was still thinking in this range and that we would sell it here, but then yeah, this big move was actually this was then the top. So on the 4 hour, this looks horrible. This looks just horrible. Not really a clear entry. This is just actually a big range. Above the EMA, under the EMA, you know. Let's see where we turn out. GBP odd was a beautiful buy. I didn't took it, but all the signs were there. Multiple taps on this one, respecting this one, perfect duplication of these ones here. And you can see, you know, we stay here, we go under it, flip again, flip again, flip again, we go above, flip again, flip again, flip again. Or we would break out and then go low again, but this was the beautiful fake out, because a lot of people were here long, but then it needs to go a little bit longer to the edge of this channel, the bottom of this ascending channel, the duplication of that channel that was been respected, and now we were back at the top. And then the interesting part is where we are now is actually the outer range of the bigger channel on the daily chart, and we've been here a lot of times. See where we are? So actually now, or we pop out or we go way down. Long this one, only because we are here at this zone again, and I don't think that we will break under here. If we break, well, so be it, then it's a loss. But yeah, I think we were gonna create such a channel here and that I can profit from a little bit after the move of GBP alt scene, and then GJ also really ranging, but can also break out. So you see, you cannot put lines, you cannot test anything. This is all just shitty markets. Oil had a big drop, but still respecting these channel zones here. So yeah, still respecting the bottom of this one here. Let's see where we go. Silver and gold were very nice. In and outer channel after their big move up. Now we are just, I think, yeah, in bigger corrective channel that we are moving in here. Because the pumping gold, everybody was very excited about that one, but then we went straight back. But this looks also very mechanical. Perfect declining channel and a perfect duplication hit of that. So that means that that gets respected. So let's see what brings that to the downside and where it brings us. At the outer bottoms of that channel. Small look at Bitcoin maybe. There was a nice climb out of this channel, so only look at this channel. We were in here, ranging, pump up, and then back down. This looks like a Bart Simpson. Very nice. Ripple, still going lower. Big flash down, oh my god. Buy opportunities in my opinion, but yeah, who am I? You can ignore all this shit, but when you look daily, this looks very interesting. This looks very interesting. So if we go down, I hope that we go somewhere here and then we can pump it about all back. But yeah, I think that's it. Not a lot of moves, not a lot of trades. I think in the past 2 weeks I took 4 trades. So that's good. That's better than usual. Yeah, what can I say? Not a lot. Until next time.